Question number 1. What is the most serious complication of eclampsia? Correct option is D. Seizures. Question number 2. What type of bleeding occurs in placenta previa? Correct option is B. Venous bleeding. Question number 3. Which symptom indicates imminent eclampsia? Correct option is D. Blood ovation. Question number 4. Which reflex disappear last in infants? Correct option is C. Babinski reflex. Question number 5. Which breath sound indicates fluid in the alveoli? Correct option is B. Crackles. Question number 6. What is the first sign of diabetic ketoacidosis? Correct option is D. Kussmaul respiration. Question number 7. What effect does morphine have on respirations? Correct option is C. Decreases. Question number 8. Which of the following condition requires isolation? Correct option is A. Chicken pox. Question number 19. Which organ primarily regulate acid-base balance? Correct option is C. Kidneys. Question number 10. Which drug can cause Redman syndrome? Correct option is A. Vancomycin. Question number 11. Which clinical sign indicates fever in a patient? Correct option is C. Hot skin. Question number 12. Which sign indicates poor peripheral circulation during assessment? Correct option is D. Cyanosis. Question number 13. Which sign suggests hypovolemic shock in a trauma patient? Correct option is A. Low blood pressure. Question number 14. Which patient position improves venous return in hypertension? Correct option is B. Spine. Question number 15. Which sign indicates improvement after oxygen therapy? Correct option is D. Pink lips. Question number 16. Which nursing principle ensure patient privacy during procedures? Correct option is A. Dignity. Question number 17. Which patient requires airborne precaution in hospital? Correct option is C. Measles. Question number 18. Which nursing action is essential before blood transfusion? Correct option is D. Cross match. Question number 19. Which injection angle is correct for intramuscular administration? Correct option is A. 90 degree. Question number 20. Which nursing action helps maintain patient comfort and circulation? Correct option is the refusion. Question number 21. Which condition means low hemoglobin? Correct option is anemia. Question number 22. Which of the following vitamin deficiency causes beriberi? Correct option is a vitamin B1. Question number 22. Which disease causes butterfly rush on face? Correct option is a lupus. Question number 24. Which drug is the first line treatment for anaphylactic shock? Correct option is the adrenaline. Question number 25. What is the normal cardiac output in adult? Correct option is C. 5 liter per minute. Question number 26. Which electrolyte imbalance causes tall peak T wave on ECG? Correct option is B. Hyperkalemia. Question number 27. Which condition causes increased intracranial pressure? Correct option is B. Brain tumor. Question number 28. Which disease is characterized by demyelination of neurofibers? Correct option is C. Multiple sclerosis. Question number 29. Which condition causes decreased platelet count? Correct option is D. Thrombocytopenia. Question number 30. Which disease present with Koplik spot? Correct option is a measles. Question number 31. Which disease causes gray pseudomembrane on throat? Correct option is C. Diphtheria. Question number 32. Which cranial nerve is responsible for vision? Correct option is a optic nerve. Question number 33. Which complication of pregnancy involves seizures and after hypertension? Correct option is a eclampsia. Question number 34. Which petal presentation is most favorable for normal delivery? Correct option is D. B. Vortex. Question number 35. Which petal lie is associated with difficult vaginal delivery? Correct option is D. Transverse lie. Question number 36. Which infectious disease presents with Koplik spots in children? Correct option is C. Measles. Question number 37. Which electrolyte rises in chronic kidney disease? Correct option is C. Potassium. Question number 38. Which symptom indicates urinary tract obstruction? Correct option is A. Oliguria. Question number 39. Which site is preferred for peripheral IV in adults? Correct option is B. Forearm vein. Question number 40. Which sign indicates meningital meningeal irritation. Correct option is a Kerning sign. Question number 41. Which term refers to difficulty in swallowing? Correct option is dysphagia. Question number 42. Which term refers to excessive urination? Correct option is C. Polyuria. Question number 43. Which of the following term refers to rapid breathing? Correct option is C. Typhemia. Question number 44. Which disease is caused by deficiency of hemoglobin? Correct option is A. Anemia. Question number 45. Which electrolyte imbalance can cause tetany? Correct option is B. Hypocalcemia. Question number 46. Which nutrient is essential for bone development? Correct option is D. Calcium. Question number 47. Which position is best for patient with is- aspiration risk? Correct option is D. Lateral position. Question number 48. Which organ is affected in Addison's disease? Correct option is B. Adrenal gland. Question number 49. Which drug is used in myocardial infarction? Correct option is D. Nitroglycerin. Question number 50. Which disease is caused by Vibrio cholerae? Correct option is B. Cholera. Question number 51. Which structure connects muscle to bones? Correct option is A. Tendons. Question number 52. Which nutrient is essential for blood clotting? Correct option is D. Vitamin K. Question number 52. Which nutrient deficiency causes spina bifida? Correct option is C. Folic acid. Question number 53. Where does female reproductive tract often externally? Correct option is C. Vestibule. Question number 54. Which drug causes sustained uterine contraction? Correct option is B. Agometrine. Question number 55. Which is the most dangerous malpresentation? Correct option is D. Transverse lie. Question number 56. When does uterus return to pelvic cavity after delivery? Correct option is C. 10 days. Question number 57. Which complication is most common in early puriform? Correct option is A. PPH. Question number 58. When is petal heart sound first heard by Doppler? Correct option is C. 10 weeks. Question number 59. Why is iron supplementation advised in pregnancy? Correct option is B. Prevent anemia. Question number 60. What is the normal fetal heart rate during labor? Correct option is C. 120 to 160 breaths per minute. Question number 61. Which mineral deficiency causes anemia despite normal iron? Correct option is B. Copper. Question number 62. Which vitamin deficiency causes rickets? Correct option is D. C. Vitamin D. Question number 63. Which hormone prepares body for stress? Correct option is A. Cortisol. Question number 64. Which organ regulates body temperature? Correct option is D. Hypothalamus. Question number 65. Why is iron supplementation avoided in thalassemia? Correct option is B. Iron overload. Question number 66. Which organ synthesize clotting factors? Correct option is A. Liver. Question number 67. Which device measures air movement in lungs? Correct option is C. Spirometer. Question number 68. Which vitamin deficiency causes beriberi? Correct option is A. Vitamin B1. Question number 69. Which mineral deficiency reduce ATP formation? Correct option is D. Magnesium. Question number 70. Which acid-base disorder occurs in diabetic ketoacidosis? Correct option is A. Metabolic acidosis. Question number 71. Which hormone causes uterine contraction? Correct option is B. Oxytocin. Question number 72. Which energy transfer causes heat loss in cold wind? Correct option is B. Convection. Question number 73. Which principle explain sweating cooling the body? Correct option is C. Evaporation. Question number 74. Which law explain air pressure volume relationship in lungs? Correct option is B. Pile's law. Question number 75. Which factor reduce radiation exposure? Correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 76. Which vitamin helps calcium absorption? Correct option is D. Vitamin D. Question number 77. Which electrolyte is essential for enzyme activation? Correct option is B. Magnesium. Question number 78. Which nutrient is primary energy source for brain? Correct option is C. Gallicals. Question number 79. Which electrolyte imbalance causes paresthesia? Correct option is a hypocalcemia. Question number 80. Why does anemia causes shortness of breath? Correct option is B. Heart failure.
Question number 81. What is the normal body temperature in Celsius? Correct option is C. 37 degrees centigrade. Question number 82. Hand washing is most effective method to prevent. Correct option is B. Infection. Question number 83. Which pulse site is used during CPR in adults? Correct option is C. Carotid pulse. Question number 84. Which artery is used to measure pulse in infants? Correct option is B. Brachial artery. Question number 85. Which position improves breathing in respiratory distress? Correct option is A. Fowler's position. Question number 86. Which method is most effective for sterilization? Correct option is B. Autoclaving. Question number 87. Which infection controls method destroyed all microorganisms? Correct option is B. Sterilization. Question number 88. Which pulse is used in unconscious patients? Correct option is B. C. Carotid pulse. Question number 90. Which term describes high body temperature? Correct option is D. Hyperthermia. Question number 91. Which instrument is used to measure oxygen saturation? Correct option is B. Pulse oximeter. Question number 92. Which term describe difficult breathing while laying flat? Correct option is A. Orthopnea. Question number 92. Which position is best for unconscious patients? Correct option is D. Lateral position. Question number 93. What instrument measures lung capacity? Correct option is A. Spirometer. Question number 95. What condition causes fatal distress due to low oxygen lack? Correct option is D. Aphaxia. Question number 96. What injection prevents RH incompatibility? Correct option is A. Anti-D injection. Question number 97. What cervical dilation rate is expected in active labor? Correct option is A. 1 centimeter per hour. Question number 98. What is the most common ovarian cancer type? Correct option is D. Epithelial.
Question number 99. What measurement eliminates petal growth in uterus? Correct option is a bundle height. Question number 100. What bundle height is expected at 28 weeks of gestation? Correct option is C, 20 centimeter.